Hi friends, now let us look at the next operation possible with the array, that is appending an element at the end of an array. So appending at the end of array, we can think in two possibilities. One, we know exactly where the last element is in the array. So in this case, we have an array ARR, and it is having 5 elements located at indices 0 through 4, and the values stored at these locations are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So the value 9 is located at index 4. Then if we know that the last value is at index 4, then the next value, if I want to append, will be at index 5. So I just verify whether the array is full or not. If it is not full, then this 4 is incremented by 1 and we get a 5. And with the index 5, we assign a new value, say 11, at ARR square bracket 5, we assign a value 11. So this 11 gets appended at the end of the array, and now the array looks something like this. So we were knowing where exactly the end of the array was there, last element of the array was there, and we were knowing that the array is not full. Therefore, just adding one number to the last index, we get a next location, and that location we fill with the new number. So it's just a constant time activity. So one step, so it's a order of one. But if we were not knowing exactly where the last value is in the array, then we have to start from the beginning, starting from index 0, then keep moving till we come to end of the array. So end of the array, we have some, either we can have a special uh, element saying that it is end of an array, or we just can have zeros there. So but the moment we come to the end of the array, the next element we find. So we start from the beginning, then it doesn't make much positive vibe to that, because we have to start from beginning if we don't know what is the total size of the array being used currently. So we have to start from the beginning. In that case, appending an array will be a linear one, so order of n. So looking at the code, so the same thing we have done using a code. So in the first line we have defined an array called ARR, and we said that it's containing the values of integer type, and this 10 says that the maximum size of the array is 10. That means maximum 10 integers can be added into this array, and currently we have initialized this with 5 elements, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Just to show that these 5 elements are there, so just we have printed that, which is shown here on the first line, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and other 5 values we are finding zeros. Then we append a new value 11 to this. So we have 5 values already in the array. That means 0 to 4 were the indices. So the fifth index we add into the array this new number 11, and then we just print again all the numbers in the array, and now we can see that it's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then followed by 1, 11, and then we have other 3 zeros. So that's what appending means. So we were knowing that it is having 5 elements, therefore directly the sixth element we try to include. If we were not knowing, then we need to have a loop to find out where exactly is the last element, then it will be order of n. But currently, directly we are posting it on the index 5, so it is one step activity, so it is order of 1. So that's it for now. Many more activities, many more actions, many more functions that can be done using the arrays. We will look in the coming sessions. So keep watching. Thank you.